Hi, I'm Elisabeth Camaur from Camaur Crampton Family Law, and today I want to discuss with you co-parenting during a divorce or a breakup of a relationship. Co-parenting does not mean joint custody. I'm not talking about the timeshare. What I'm talking about with co-parenting is the relationship between the parents and how they communicate. Now, most parents going through a divorce will agree that their children are the most important issues that they face in the litigation. Children of all ages are thrust, unfortunately, though, into the uncertainty and the headache of a divorce. And while living in separate households can sometimes be more beneficial to the children than remaining in a house of constant fighting and hostilities, the parents can still do irreparable harm to their children by involving them in their disagreements and refusing to co-parent. Now, parents going through divorce have two choices. One, they can accept that the relationship as spouses is over and move on and co-parent. Or two, they can allow the heartache and the pain from their divorce to spill over and go forward in their custody proceedings. Children deserve the love, affection, and respect of both parents. If the children are the true priority, in a perfect world, parents would be able to put their own anger aside and work together with the other parent to raise their children. After all, parents have a lifelong relationship as parents. Their relationship as married may be over, but they're going to be attending extracurricular events together, they're going to graduations together, they're going to their children's weddings. Now, clearly, the children are going to be happier if these events didn't have the stress of the divorce looming over everybody's head. Okay. A lot of times, divorced parents believe that the other parent is completely unreasonable and they're unable to work anything out with them. How do divorced parents then co-parent? Well, here are a few tips for you. One, don't approach discussions with the other parent as I'm right and you're wrong. Try to be respectful and open-minded in your discussions with the other parent. Number two, do not make negative comments about the other parent to or near the children. No matter how outrageous you believe the other parent is, you need to make sure your children understand that you respect the other parent. If you believe that there's abuse or neglect, you do need to consult a therapist or an attorney right away. And if there's an emergency situation, such as domestic violence against the child, then you do need to call Child Protective Services and the authorities. However, most cases are not so extreme. Number three, do not discuss the litigation with the children or allow them to review the court documents. These are adult issues. You should approach the child custody issues as an opportunity to try and reach an agreement. The other parent and you have this opportunity to take control over parenting and make the decisions about your children together. If you can't do that, then it goes to court, and a judge sitting in a black robe on a bench who doesn't know you and doesn't know the children will make the decisions where you and the other parent fail to. Work as parents and do your job. 4. Do not discuss child support with the children. Again, these are adult issues, not issues for the children. Number 5, do not pass messages for the other parent through the children. And number 6, do not undermine the other parent's authority in the presence of the children. If the other parent imposes discipline, such as a grounding or a timeout, support the decision. Do not question that decision in the presence of the child. If you think that there is an issue, talk to the parent outside of the presence of the child. But assuming we have a non-abusive method of discipline in a case like that, you need to consult with the other parent and always appear supportive of that parent. If you don't, your child is going to start acting out. Children need the security and safety and stability of parents working together. There are many resources for co-parenting, and there are many classes on co-parenting if you're having trouble communicating with the other parent. After the divorce is final, the parents have the opportunity to focus on their children and parenting instead of the problems of the marriage. You know, children grow up really fast, and you only have one shot at this. Don't waste it being angry about the breakup of the relationship with the other parent. Good luck to you.